Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a processing payment in Google Pay and what you can actually do. First, open the Google Pay app and tap on your recent activity to find the payment that's still processing. Tap on that transaction to view the details. If the cancel option appears, simply tap it and confirm to stop the payment immediately. However, in many cases, once a payment is processing, it cannot be canceled directly. If there's no cancel button, you'll need to contact the recipient and request a refund. You can also reach out to your bank or Google Pay support for further assistance if the transaction looks suspicious. Act quickly, because processing payments can complete within minutes. Checking the transaction status and contacting support right away gives you the best chance to resolve the issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.